Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today is going to be a pretty chill, small little video. It is Friday right now. It's about, I think 7 o'clock, so this is the latest I've ever made a video. It's been really hot. We're in a little heat wave here in California. 7 o'clock and it's still 90 degrees, so it's pretty warm out. But today, Shane came by again, so he wanted to do a couple things, not sure exactly what he's doing, and then I'm probably going to do a couple small little things as well. Let me go ahead and show you what that is real quick. So this side skirts, I went ahead, as you can see, this was filled in. There was a huge gap right there. Put a piece of sheet of fiberglass, started body working it, so I just need to finish that off. Same thing right here, there was a huge chunk missing, so I'm probably just going to be working on that. Not sure yet, I might be. And then I bought a new shelf for the shop, or garage, but I consider it to be my shop. So I'm going to try to get all this cleaned out right here, and then I believe I'm going to put the shelf right there, so that way we can clear a bunch of that stuff out and stuff over there and get it on the shelf. It should be a nice new addition. I'm really happy for it. Oh, it's so cute. It's so small next to you, dude. What the hell? Like, for real. Probably as tall as you. Maybe a little taller. No, you're a little taller than it. Cool. So I'm gonna actually I'm gonna put it against the wall, and then I'm gonna screw it in right here, and then hopefully I can screw in right there as well. But cool. So I can put some tools there and try to clean some of this up, some of that up. Not bad, eh? And then I'm gonna put another one.
That's already stickered up.
Yeah, I had to put some stickers. And then I'm gonna buy another one and put it pretty much this way. The one at Walmart's cool because you can actually make it tall or you can make it long. So I'll probably make that one long to where it comes to about all of that, and so that'll be pretty neat. So let me go ahead and try to get this screwed in place and maybe get some stuff put on it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take my girlfriend for a car. I want to show you guys something that I did. What did I say?
So I'm gonna take my girlfriend for a car.
For a ride in my car, no? Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take my girlfriend for a car.
No.
I'm gonna take my girlfriend for a ride, car.
I'm gonna take my girlfriend for a car.
I'm gonna take my girlfriend for a ride in my car. You guys are gonna find out right now, but I did something and it's pretty crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm gonna have this kind sir over here film for me.
Dude, you're on air. Air up. Oh. Oh man, still going. That shit is loud.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll be making a video on that very soon, guys. Very soon. Just wait for it. So what did you think?
That shit's fucking loud. Dude, it's fucking loud.
You said some guy was covering his ears right now?
Yeah, he was covering his ears.
Some guy walking by right now. It was the guy you said walking?
Yeah.
Right now he was covering?
With the white shirt, yeah.
When I was pulling up right now, I guess he was covering his ears. Is it louder outside the car, do you think?
It's loud inside. I can't imagine.
It's loud
outside.
inside, so outside it's probably really loud. But
Sounds good though.
I haven't even in it yet, like that. But,
oh yeah, but it's hella loud outside. Did you hear me all the way down the street?
yeah.
It's crazy, huh?
Down there, they're down there, and then yeah, down there. And I
Yeah.
heard you. I didn't hear you turn around or nothing, but I could hear you coming up. I knew to get ready to film.
That shit was good though.
So once I go single exhaust, guys, the plan is axle back 3-inch piping all the way into single exhaust. Obviously, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. But anyways, guys, so Shane's actually working on his today. He's gonna be cutting his front bumper today. Kind of doing like a design type thing. You guys will see right now. But I'm glad my shelving came to some use. We got it turned into a fucking grocery store.
Yeah.
So we got some hot Cheetos, we got some beer, some cervezas, and some clamato. We got it here, bros. This might as well be a pantry, and then put a mini fridge next to it.
I was saying that there, mini fridge.
I'm actually looking into it, but if I get a mini fridge, y'all better start hanging out a lot more out here, because I'm not about to put a mini fridge or invest and buy one to never have it be used. So, yeah. I see you, I see you. Okay. I have a sander if you want to clean it up. Cool. Done?
Clean it up, but yeah. See more of the suspension too.
Looks good, eh?
Oh!
Wow. I wasn't even looking, dude. I just like, my reaction was to do this and it went into my hand. I gotta check the playback on that.
It's dirty and muddy under here.
Oh, that's what she said.
It's dirty, not muddy.
His girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend now?
His online girlfriend.
What's in the box?
You're my girlfriend.
So that's what you said.
Alright guys, so I ended up kind of organizing the shelving. So as you can see over here, I got all of that cleaned out to where I can now put my side skirts up there. But once the side skirts are on the car, I'm gonna have a lot more space. And then this is how my shelving is looking right now. So up at top I have my oils, my antifreeze, coolant, you know, power steering, all that good stuff. And then we got all my cleaning supplies, my buffing for my headlights and whatnot. So all of that's there. Right here I have like all my bodywork stuff, my glues, my fiberglass Bondo, paint, and then right here I have my tools, and then right there I have the new exhaust for the car. But you guys will have to wait and see that in a further video. But once we get the exhaust on, I'll have another shelf to put something there. Don't really know what yet, but we'll figure it out.
Prop it up at the right height.
I felt it.
Tipped it, dude. I tipped it.
I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to see, but I decided to throw the lip on. And dude, I like it. It's like the third brake light, you could like sort of see it, but sort of not at the same time. But of course, once it's lit up, it's gonna be banging, dude. So that's it though. What gonna do? Hey, look at that. Why didn't you do this a long time ago? What the fuck? That's tight.
I mean, you can't really tell about
It's not hooked up yet, but what do you think though?
It's
You see how it's like very subtle?
You barely see the light.
Yeah, but once it's on and lit up though, it's gonna be nice.
It's gonna like blow on the ground too. That'll be cool.
I like it.
Air it up a little bit, like to where you would.
Yeah? It's gonna look good when it's molded and actually silver.
You're doing the little diffuser part.
What do you mean?
Black or?
Yeah, it's wrapped,
Painting
dude.
wrap.
It's already wrapped.
Well, not the under. This little.
No,
diffuser.
the whole top piece.
This little flare. Is it gonna be silver?
This is gonna be silver. The only stuff that's black is what I wrapped.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Dude, it's gonna look. It's so subtle. It looks literally factory, which is what I like, and that's what I was going for. Oh, you know what? We're gonna add one more addition to it real quick. All right, guys. So I was going to try to set up the muffler for it, but I can't. It won't fit in there at all right now. By the way, this is the new tip. This is an HKS muffler, 3-inch piping. Ooh, I almost dropped it. So 3 inches is massive, and then 4.5 inch tip. It's pretty freaking big. So this is what we're gonna be running. So it's gonna be single exhaust, obviously axle back, 3-inch back to this. So I think it's gonna sound really good. I'm hoping it kind of takes away a lot of the raspiness, along with maybe toning it down a bit. But when I get it to backfire, how you guys heard earlier, it's gonna sound good.
No, don't open it yet.
No, I know. Go
Hold it like this
Okay, like
with your left hand.
Okay.
Left hand.
Wait. I look.
Shane, you are too fucking tall. Literally, like, it chops your head, but she's perfectly in frame.
You're too short too. You gotta.
Stop on the stool.
Yeah, let me go get a ladder.
Get the widescreen.
So you guys are gonna do a shotgun. This is Donna's first shotgun.
I can't believe that.
Huh?
I can't believe that.
I'm a young woman.
You're a young woman.
So the left hand hold like this.
The left hand.
So you want to hold it so you can have the hole in the right spot. So when you crack it,
Pray for me.
don't crack it yet, but you gotta hold it so you have the hole in the right spot.
Okay,
so when you
this.
put the hole down here,
And then you hold it. Okay.
pop your hole.
Wait, I gotta pop my own hole?
Yeah, it's your first one.
Oh my god!
Good, that's good.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Great content.
Wow,
Thank you.
Okay, so get it ready to crack, and then when you're ready,
Wait. Okay. Like this?
you crack it, and then when you crack it, just put it in your mouth.
That's what he said. Okay, wait. I can't crack it. Crack it.
Oh,
Come on, suck that shit.
I couldn't finish it. I can never finish it.
It's a lot.
Too cold.
What are you talking about? Finish it.
Yeah, that was fucking awesome.
This is for sure gonna be fucked up.
Did it hit you yet?
Yeah, it did.
Woody was
Oh, it
drinking
hit
it.
her all
It
right.
hit me.
Yeah,
It hit
dude.
me a lot.
I can see that.
Every single beer.
You don't pour it there.
You gotta tilt it. Do you tilt it? Anyways,
Literally like this. No.
I don't know. Oh, maybe because they're getting warmer or something, or shooking
No.
up.
It's like that.
So
There's talking left over.
I'm looking into getting, guys, a mini fridge. Hopefully you guys can see good. There we go. And I really like this one right here. This one's awesome, dude. Clear. Ooh, this one's a nice one. Stainless steel, 124. This one looks like a workbench kind of thing.
I told you.
But that's almost the whole beer though with that much foam.
I don't know. What do you guys think? Ooh, get the Coca-Cola one.
But there, there's still.
So we're kind of leaning towards one of these bad boys right here. I think that'll look cool. And then I'm gonna end up putting it right in between the workbench and the shelving. So obviously this will all get cleaned out and I'll put it right in between there. But what do you guys think? I think that'll be freaking awesome. Alright guys, well that's where I'm going to go ahead and leave this video off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, so subscribe and get me there so we can celebrate already. If you guys like this kind of content where we're kind of just hanging out, you know, with the friends and whatnot, having a good time, also, you know, some car stuff, make sure to comment down below. Let me know, because I really enjoy making these types of videos. I feel like I get to be more of myself and show you guys more of who I am as a person, rather than, you know, when I'm in the garage and it's just me working on my car. I can't really be myself because it's just me in there, so I feel kind of like, you know, it's just strictly car content, as opposed to, you know, on the weekends when my friend is and my girlfriend are hanging out. I get to be more of myself and show you guys that, and that's what that's the direction I really want to take my channel. So if you guys like that, smash that thumbs up and let me know down below, because like I said, I really do enjoy making them. I know today I didn't really work much on my car. It's so hot out there. I didn't really want to do anything, so I kind of just wanted to just more of hang out. But anyways, guys, let me know what you guys think, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. I think the next video we're probably gonna be probably honestly mounting the rear lift, or it's gonna be a side skirt video, putting the side skirts on, something like that. I would guess, but stay tuned for it. Hit that bell notification so you guys are notified every time your boy drops a video. I hope to catch y'all in the next one. Until next time, as always, peace out.